Welcome to my honest review of the Savvy website. If you're looking for a reliable platform to help you manage your loans and finances, you've probably come across Savvy. In this video, I'll be diving deep into the features and functionality of the site and sharing my personal experience with it. First, let's take a look at the home page. As soon as you land on Savvy's website, you're greeted with a clean, user-friendly interface. The design is modern and intuitive, making it easy for even new users to navigate the various sections of the site. One of the first things you'll notice is the wide range of financial tools available to help you manage your money and loans more effectively. Moving on to the core features, Savvy offers a comprehensive loan calculator that allows you to input different loan details like amounts, interest rates, and repayment terms. This is especially useful for users looking to see how various loan structures will affect their payments over time. Additionally, the platform provides personalized loan recommendations based on your financial profile, which can be a big time saver if you're trying to figure out what loan options might work best for you. As for the loan comparison tool, this is one of the standout features of Savvy. It lets you compare different loan options side by side, giving you a clearer picture of what you'll be getting with each. You can easily adjust the loan terms to see how the interest rate or repayment period impacts your monthly payments. This helps users make informed decisions before committing to a loan. For those who need financial advice, Savvy offers educational content in the form of articles, videos, and guides. Whether you're trying to understand credit scores, budgeting tips, or how loans work, the site has plenty of resources to help you improve your financial literacy. One downside, however, is that the site doesn't provide a direct application process for loans. While it offers loan recommendations and comparisons, you'll need to visit third-party lenders' websites to apply, which can be a bit inconvenient. Another feature worth mentioning is the account dashboard, which allows you to track your loan repayments and see your progress. This can be a helpful visual tool for anyone who wants to stay on top of their finances and avoid missing payments. Many useful links can be found in the description. Overall, Savvy provides a solid platform for managing your loans and getting advice on financial planning. While it might not handle the full loan application process, its features and educational resources make it a valuable tool for anyone looking to get more control over their financial situation. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth reviews of websites and financial tools.